candle.
Super DIY birthday.
Love, Nanay and Claire. This is Nanay and this is Claire. Welcome to my channel. My birthday vlog part 1.
Claire is turning 7 years old.
Yes.
Pero wala naman kaming party. Dito lang kami sa bahay.
Yes.
We are going to buy the things that we need for her decorations and giveaways and treats. So we're just going to send them by delivery sa mga classmates and few friends, neighbors ni Claire.
That's my Maya the Bee birthday cake.
To have a sweet bee day.
Yay! Join me preparing my birthday.
Siguro lapad-lapad.
I like this one. KaFam, we will make beehive. Can you reach it?
Hopefully, magawa namin yung beehive ni Claire.
Yeah.
For a 12. O 12. Isa pa. Okay. Yes.
Let's buy the candle. Oh, I like the golden one. It's really
Yeah,
pretty.
kasi B party. That's okay? Alright.
KaFam, we will make my beehive for my birthday. First, we're going to eat. Let's eat a birthday cake. That's birthday cake for Lola. KaFam, we will use clothes rack as my beehive. Two naka-sleep. That's why lapit na akong birthday.
To sleep na. Wala pa kaming beehive.
Yay!
Ang taas.
KaFam, Nanay will start to cut. Look, so very big, right? Go, Nanay, go! Cut it all. Can you do that, Nanay?
Hopefully.
It's so big. It's hard to cut. Nanay, it's hard to cut.
Hindi mas.
Good job, Nanay. Look. Nanay, what are you doing there?
Nothing. The last part.
Yes!
Wow.
No.
Yes, yes, yes.
KaFam is so very pretty, right? It's my favorite color. Yellow. Bright sunny yellow. Nanay, can I paint too?
Wow. Super DIY birthday ni Claire.
KaFam, Nanay is going to write my name and cut it. L-N-A-E-R.
Yeah.
We will pick up my birthday cake.
We were going to buy yung handa ni Claire tomorrow. We will
Yes.
just be at home having sangyupsal and
Yes.
shabu-shabu.
Shabu-shabu. Hello. Yes.
Very good.
And it's number 7.
Yes.
Happy birthday to me.
Yes. Saray mo name sa dalo mo, may Claire.
Our beehive is dry now. Pretty cool, right? Can you get it, Nanay? Can you get it? Wow.
We're We're going to add details na lang.
Yes. KaFam, we will pack my giveaway.
First thing first, boxes.
Wow.
Ta-da!
Oh yes, let me see. Oh yes, I can see.
Do it at the other side. Ito naman yung aming paper fillers.
Okay, let me try too.
Actually, medyo maliit yung box na nabili ko kasi hindi ako sure sa size. Kaya yung ibang contents ay sa labas na lang namin ilalagay tapos itatali na lang ng ribbon.
Yes, I know now.
Yung contents ng birthday box ni Claire are activity book, Nax, Maya the B,
Yes, that's my
7th B days, coloring books.
Yes.
That's you?
Yes!
It's your 7th B day.
Yes!
Storybook.
Storybook.
Ayan. Ito, maganda din to. They are puzzles. Ay, hindi mawawala ang treats for the kids!
Yay!
Her classmates, kasi una nabilang namin sa classmates lang, kaya yung nakuha naming toothbrush is good lang for her classmates.
Yes.
Ito yung mga bamboo toothbrush from Canlaon Sentinels, the official distributor of the Bamboo Company.
Yes.
So, pinili namin lahat ay color yellow. Nice, nice, nice! It's made of real bamboo. Their school is teaching them how to take care of the environment, to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Lalagyan namin ng eco-friendly na product inside the box.
Yeah.
So, enjoy, kids! And don't forget to take care of our
planet.
We made a notepad, personalized notepad for her teacher, at saka bambaso!
Yay!
It's baso made of bamboo as well. Smile here.
Yeah. Wow, it's cool, right? KaFam, Nanay is painting my beehive with color black. It's pretty, right? Look! KaFam, we will put ribbon on the boxes. What a cutie pie! Yes, here comes my bee. It's a pretty sorry just for you and me. Ding ding! Hi, Bea! Packing a gift for you, Bea. This is for Bea. Okay, here. Here's for Bea. Shout out, Erin. Thank you for watching my video.
Shout out, Erin.
And Winter too. Hello, KaFam. It's already evening, but last is going to put tag.
Yes, last part na.
Yes.
Tired na, tired.
Yes, I'm so tired, but it's so much fun.
Yes, and tomorrow is your birthday, so are you excited?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Tomorrow we will decorate for her birthday.
Yes, I will help you.
Yes.
Para hindi ka makapoy.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. See you in my birthday vlog part 2. Follow us in Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Please comment and subscribe.